Achieving the best fit for your hearing aids is crucial for both your comfort and optimal hearing performance. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ear tip. Inside the box, you will find each Eartips comes in 3 sizes. There are 2 types of Eartips. Open Eartips allow better airflow in the ear and provide a more natural hearing of your own voice. Closed Eartips help minimize feedback and enhance hearing in noisy environments. If your hearing aid doesn't feel comfortable in your ear, try switching to a different eartip size. Firmly grasp the hearing aid and the eartip, then gently pull the eartip off the hearing aid. Choose a new eartip size. Any eartip can be used for either ear. Hold the hearing aid with one hand. Align the opening of the new eartip with the sound outlet of the hearing aid. Push the hearing aid into the new eartip until you feel a click. Gently pull on the eartip to ensure it is securely attached to the hearing aid. If necessary, repeat these steps for the other hearing aid. Once you have your hearing aids on, make sure they are both comfortable and securely in place. If the fit isn't comfortable, repeat the process using a different size or type of eartips until you find the best fit for you. Thanks for watching.